Well, as you just saw, after a dip in the number of babies being born in Maine, those numbers are starting to come back up.
But over the past decade or so, 7 birthing units, mostly in rural parts of the state, have closed down, which means, as News Center Maine's Ann Baldridge shows us, expectant moms will have to go more than the extra mile to have their baby.
For more and more women in Maine, having a baby close to home is no longer an option.
We have patients who come down from Rumford. We have patients who live in Bethel. So we do have patients who travel from pretty far.
Elizabeth Gittinger, the medical director of Women's Health at Mercy, says with the closure of birthing units across the state, the Portland Hospital has had to expand services.
We've gotten a smattering from all 3 of the hospitals that are close by, so Bridgeton, York, St. Mary's.
St. Mary's closed their women's service line right across town from us. And so we went from a birthing hospital of 500 to 600 births to 1,000. So we've literally doubled our birth volume.
Central Maine Medical Center said it had to increase staff to keep up with the growth. And Southern Maine is seeing a spike in births. It comes after several hospitals had to close their maternity units in recent years because of declining birth rates and the lack of staff.
We're getting new Mainers. We're getting people who are moving to Maine from different parts of the country. And people who may have delayed having kids during COVID.
As for Maine Med, it says delivery volumes at the hospital remained high in 2023 with over 3,200 deliveries.
We did about 700 births last year, and we're on a trajectory to probably grow at another probably 10% this coming year associated with it. You know, we are seeing an uptick in the birth rate in Maine after some years of declining birth rate.
If the trend in Maine's birth rate continues to go up, one thing is clear. At least for now, families will have to travel a little farther to get the care they need to bring a new life into the world. In Portland, Ann Baldridge, News Center Maine.